Hello and welcome to this new section where we're going to talk about the first building block of building excellence in marketing and advertising using AI, and that is on data-driven insights and predictive analytics, and the first lecture of that. So in this section, we will give you some good idea of how can you use AI for excellence in data-driven insights and predictive analytics, which is the first pillar of excellence in marketing and advertising. And we will begin by talking about how to identify, how to use AI for identifying customer segments with precision. So using AI for customer segment with precision is the topic of this lecture. So how do you think one can identify customer segments with precision? Any thoughts? See, you know, AI can identify customer segments with precision. That's the first thing. And that is the crucial step in building marketing excellence. Let's understand that first. If you want to use AI to build excellence in marketing, you need to learn how can you use AI to identify customer segments with precision. So let's take a look at that. So before that, let's talk about let's recap. What is customer segmentation? Any thoughts? What is customer segmentation? So customer segmentation means dividing a company's customers, your customers, in a you know, group of customers based on shared characteristics, within the group, like behaviors or needs or any other thing like demographics for that matter, so that you can tailor the marketing accordingly and effectively. Now, there are two ways to segment the market. One is the traditional method of segmentation. Now, here the segmentation is done based on the broad criteria like demographics or basic, purchase data. So that's the traditional segmentation. The second segmentation that we will talk about more is AI powered segmentation, where AI powered segmentation goes far beyond the traditional segmentation, using sophisticated algorithm and vast data to uncover, sophisticated, hidden patterns, and the micro segments. So the key thing is hidden patterns and small segments, micro segments, using sophisticated algorithms and vast data set. And these are the things that the traditional method often misses. So that's the customer segmentation we're going to talk about, the AI powered segmentation using AI, right? So let's take a look at the steps that you need to take to have AI help you in doing this segmentation, the AI powered segmentation. So first thing you need to do is to do data integration and enrichment. Now, AI can gather and integrate data from multiple sources. So it has that capacity. Now, what are these multiple sources you need to gather and integrate data? It could be your CRM systems that have data on past purchases, interactions. It could be your websites and app analytics, in which you can look at clickstream data, session durations. It could be social media like likes, shares, and mentions, or it could be third party data like credit scores, lifestyle data, etc. etc. An example of this data integration and enrichment would be a telecom company might combine call data records, app usage, and social media data to enrich customer profiles. So ultimate purpose of this data is to create those customer profiles as we will see now. The second thing you do is to do feature engineering. AI can automatically identify and create new variables. Please understand that. You do not have to identify these variables. AI can do that for you. Now, these variables can influence the customer behavior, and these could be things like, time since last purchase, frequency of product returns, engagement levels like clicks, likes, and shares. It could be sentiment in reviews or social media posts. So it uses, in addition to the conventional ones, such demographics, such variables to segment on its own. Now, this process can then uncover the hidden relationship between customer behavior and the outcome, which is what you want to know. And that's where this AI-driven segmentation comes out far above the traditional segmentation, right? The third thing would be to know that AI uses advanced clustering algorithms or techniques to group customer into distinct segments, because that's what we want to do, right? And what are such techniques? One is the k-means clustering that divides customer into k number of groups based on similarity of data, as you see here, right? Second, you can use is the hierarchical clustering that builds a tree of clusters, allowing deeper insights into the subsegments, and it does on its own using the algorithm. The third one is you can use is DB scan, which is similar to K-scan but more sophisticated. And lastly, you can use Gaussian mixture models that capture more complex patterns, including overlapping clusters and outliers. And a good example of this will be, instead of segmenting customers just by age, AI might find that a cluster of 25 to 30-year-olds with higher social media engagement and premium product purchase behaves differently than others. So that's how the clustering algorithms will find the more meaningful clusters or segments. The fourth step would be to do the dimensionality reduction wherever required. When you deal with hundreds of variables, right, AI can use techniques like PCA that you see here, principal component analysis, or TSNE to reduce complexity and make clustering more accurate and interpretable. Now, the differences between PCA and TSNE is that PCA is deterministic, TSNE is more stochastic, probabilistic. The PCA can return to unique solution, with T sign will not. The projection type in PCA is linear and in TSNE is non-linear. Type of approach is global, and in TSNE it could be local or global. And let's know that PCA is just a rotation of the axis, whereas TSNE requires you to subjectively interpret. So that's how you can do the dimensionality reduction when dealing with hundreds of variables, right? Then you do real-time segmentation. The AI models can continuously update segments as the new data arrives. As customers interact with website or app, AI can dynamically adjust the segments assigned based on the latest behavior in real time. And the real-time triggers can personalize offers or example personalize offers or messages instantly. So when customers interact on website and images, AI can dynamically adjust the segments and then trigger the meaningful offers which are personalized or messages instantly. An example of this would be an e-commerce site that recognizes a customer shifting from casual browsing to a high intent buying segment, and it triggers a personalized discount. So as the customers shift between segments, the AI can take the right action by triggering the right messages or offers. What are the key advantages of AI segmentation? The first is the precision. AI can reveal micro segments that manual analysis might overlook. Second is scalability. It can handle millions of customers and massive data volumes efficiently. And it does dynamic updates. Segments can evolve as the customer behaviors change, ensuring relevance. And personalization is another key advantage because AI can help you tailor marketing messages, offers, and experiences that can drive engagement and conversion. So these are some of the key advantages of AI segmentation. What are the popular AI tools for segmentation? You could use Salesforce Einstein that has AI-powered segmentation and insights capability. You can use Google Cloud AI platform for building custom clustering models. Yeah, Adobe Sensei is another one that is integrated with Adobe Experience Cloud for segmentation and personalization. Or you could use Python and R with libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for custom in-house models. So these are the various AI tools that you can use for segmentation. So let's take a look at an example in action of how AI can identify customer segment with precision. A major retailer uses AI segmentation to identify, let's say, 3, 4 categories like bargain hunters, who are price sensitive, respond to discount, loyal, high value shoppers who are the repeat buyers with high lifetime value, and window shoppers who browse but rarely buy and need re-engagement strategy. So that's the segmentation the AI does, right? And lastly, there's a trend follower who buys new product quickly, need early bird offers. Now each segment will get tailored ad, email content and personalized offer, and that will dramatically improve the marketing ROI. So that's how AI can help identify customer segments with precision in real life. So what do we do next? We will look at the next topic of data-driven insights and predictive analytics, and there we will look at how can you predict customer behavior, specifically churn, lifetime value, and buying propensity. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on data-driven insights and predictive analytics in this course AI for Marketing and Advertising Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.